Hello, welcome to this Farm Management Data Capturing Workbook overview. This workbook can be used by farm managers to capture all farm activities and tasks. In this section, we'll explore the worksheet structure. Each worksheet will feature a report table. The table includes buttons, and you can save the data as a range. However, please note that the report will only save data from a specific row in the table. The reports utilize data in column D to generate header information for other columns. Simply click on any worksheet name, and you will be immediately navigated to that specific worksheet table. Keep in mind that the worksheet names correspond only to the tables, not to the reports, which are located adjacent to their respective worksheet tables. To set a daily reminder message, click that Set Daily Reminder button and enter the desired time for the message to appear. Remember to specify AM or PM to ensure the reminder is set correctly. After you've entered the time, you can also input the message you want to receive. When the time arrives, the message will pop up in a dialog box. One of the key benefits of setting a reminder is to alert you and keep you updated on all your upcoming schedules or meetings. They significantly enhance your productivity by keeping you focused on your tasks and helping you avoid distractions. This focus ensures that you accomplish your goals more efficiently and make the most of your time. Additionally, reminders play a vital role in reducing stress and anxiety as they eliminate the worry of forgetting important appointments or deadlines. This is a pesticide usage worksheet. You can track your pesticide use easily with an Excel record sheet. Stay compliant with regulations and analyze data for smarter decision-making. Having an Excel risk assessment worksheet is crucial for farmers. It helps identify and evaluate potential risks on the farm, from weather events to pest outbreaks, allowing for proactive planning. It ensures compliance with safety regulations. An Excel time tracking sheet helps farmers monitor how much time is spent on various tasks, from planting to harvesting. You can use D11 as a search box. If you clear the item in D11 and click Search, it will take you to the first empty cell in the table and highlight it in blue. Click Scroll Back to return the table to its previous position. If you enter something in the table and click Search, you will direct it to that specific item cell. When you click Search, it will first inform you of the number of empty cells and notify you if the item in D11 is not found in the table. So that's how you add new row, and that's how the message we set is ready.
Hello, welcome to this funny tutorial. My name is Nate.
To delete an item, click Delete and enter the item name in column D only. This will remove it from the table. You can also delete a row from anywhere in the table. To save a range as a PDF, click Save as PDF. The code will prompt you to choose a folder for saving the file. Enter the name you want for the PDF file, then select the range to save, making sure not to include the table column headers. A preview of the PDF will be displayed. Just click OK to proceed. Now, navigate to the folder where the PDF was saved and open it to review the document. As you open the PDF, you'll see how it's formatted. The code automatically adjusts column widths to fit all characters in each cell. If the columns don't fit on a single page, the remaining data will transfer to the next page. Now, saving a range as Word document is different from save as PDF, as you have to include table column headers. Click Save as Word. The code will prompt you to choose a folder for saving the file and then enter the range you want to save as displayed in the dialog box. Saving an Excel table range as a Word document is beneficial for several reasons. It presents data in a visually appealing format, making it easier to understand. This integration ensures consistency in reports and enhances collaboration, as Word documents are easier to share and comment on, facilitating effective communication of your data insights. Enter the name you want for the Word document, then with OK. Now, navigate to the folder where the Word document was saved and open it to review the document. As you open the Word document, you'll see how it's formatted. The code automatically adjusts column widths to fit all characters in each cell. If the columns don't fit on a single page, the remaining data will transfer to the next page. To filter data within the table, click the To Filter Data button. Enter the name of the column header you wish to filter. Next, enter the name or names of the items you want to see. All other rows will be hidden. You can click the Unhide button to reveal the hidden rows again. But this is what happens when you enter an item name which is not found in the table range, so you just have to click Unhide button and then re-enter again the column header and the item name which is in the table. Filtering data in an Excel table range is essential for effective data analysis. It allows you to focus on specific information, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. By filtering, you can quickly isolate relevant data, which enhances decision-making. This feature also improves efficiency by reducing clutter, allowing you to work with only the data you need. Moreover, filtering promotes better organization, helping you manage large datasets more effectively. It allows for custom views, so you can analyze different segments without altering the original data. Additionally, filtering can reveal insights that might be missed in a full dataset, driving more informed conclusions. Overall, filtering data is a powerful tool that enhances clarity and productivity in your Excel analysis. To save a report, use only the items in column D of the worksheet to generate your report. If you change an ID, the VLOOKUP formula will automatically update and display the information for the new ID. Click Save as PDF and enter the name of the folder where you want the PDF to be saved, followed by the name of the PDF file. Next, click the Save as Word button. Enter the name of the folder where you want to save the document and then the name for your Word file, and now, navigate to the folder and open the Word document and the PDF you just saved and open them both. Saving data from a single row at a time in a worksheet table is crucial, especially when each row is identified by unique IDs. This method allows for precise data management, ensuring that you can track specific entries easily. It enhances accuracy by preventing errors that may occur when handling multiple rows simultaneously. Additionally, saving individual rows facilitates targeted analysis, enabling you to focus on particular data points without distraction. This approach also simplifies data updates and modifications, as you can make changes to one entry without affecting others. To see total budget between a date range, just change the dates in a cell, and in this case cell E5, and the budget within the date range will be displayed in F5. To see total expenses by category, use the drop-down list in E4 and the expense amount will be displayed in F4. To check animal pregnancy statuses count, use the drop-down list in E3 and the total count per status will be displayed in F3. Hi, so did you enjoy watching this farm workbook overview tutorial? Please make sure to like, share with farmers and hit that subscribe button. We'll include the website link in the description below for more information about this template. Thank you for watching.